Hello friends, welcome back and welcome to Living on the Edge. Today I want to invite you to one of my personal favorites, and when I say favorites, I'm not specifically referring to this cruise ship simply because this is my first time cruising on the beautiful Radiance of the Seas. That being said, the Radiance class of the ship, it's actually one of my favorite class of ships. And the reason for that is because those ships are not too big, not too small, and in the era when we go bigger and bigger, this is my personal favorite size-wise as far as the ships goes. I feel that those ships can go to smaller ports, they can actually have more personal vibe when you interact with other cruise mates, cruise fellers. This is just something I like more, and I'm really hoping you can relate to that as well, and if not, this hopefully can just help you to decide if this is something that might be best for you. That being said, this time I'm staying in the Grand Suite on the beautiful, as I mentioned, Radiance of the Seas. And without keeping you waiting any longer, let me take you for a quick tour about the suite and see how it looks like. Okay, so let's take a look, and we're of course going to begin at the entrance to this beautiful suite. And let's stroll towards the entrance door, and I'll show you the map where we are actually located. If you notice this red dot on the blue line, we are on deck number 10, because most of the suites on this cruise ship are located on deck number 10. And this is right the centrum of the cruise ship. This orange line will indicate the main stock of the elevators, and we are probably the third suite from that elevators area. So you are very centrally located. Now let me of course turn you around, show you your initial impression when you enter this beautiful suite. So of course you have this area over here, which is your entryway, your barway, your closet area, all in one. But this is your grand entrance. So you have, hello my friends, you have a full-length mirror in front of you. You have a marble top bar over here with some storage, of course, here on the side. An additional storage over here. There are 3 shelves. We did receive some waters. There's, of course, ice for a bucket that you can ask for your room attendant. And of course on this side, hello again, we have our closet. The closet of course has the 3 doors here. Let me go away so you can see it better. And let me open it for you so you can see what the storage includes. So in this section we have 2 shelves, a safe. This safe, I would say it's on the smaller side as usually what you will receive in a balcony room from my experience. But yeah, that's the safe you get in this particular room. It's not big enough for a laptop, but it's big enough for your personal items like jewelry, passports, things like that. Hanging space, some luggage space of course. And on this side we have 2 doors. And of course you have the 2 bathrobes that you receive with the suites. Some extra pillows, hanging area. Those of course can come down so you can have an extra hanging space. Let's do that. Yep, just like that. And of course your safety life jackets on the bottom. So this would be your storage on this side. Now this door will lead you of course to your bathroom. I will show you that in a minute. However, across from the wardrobe you have additional storage. So if we open those 2 doors, we have some additional drawers over here. So we have total of 6. They're pretty deep for any additional storage you would like to have. Next to it we have additional door, and it's just one big space, perhaps for your carry-on or something you would like to store here. An additional door on this side, that would be your mini fridge. Let's open that. Yep, this is your fridge. Now of course this is your living room area. And we have a queen sleeper sofa over here, so this room can accommodate easily 4. We have 2 armchairs, of course. One here and one across from it. Your TV is tucked in a corner. It's a little bit on the smaller side, specifically for the size of the room, but it's located very conveniently so it doesn't take any space of your room. And of course you have your espresso maker right here, the Lavazza pods, as well as the, I think it's the Tivana one. Let's take a look. Yes, it's the Tivana tea, so for those who do not drink coffee but prefer tea, you have that option as well. Now across from your living room area, as you see, we have the bedroom area, which can actually separate it by this curtain. So as you can see on top, this curtain can go all the way towards the window, and if you close it, you will have 2 separate areas, the living room area and the bedroom area. Maybe not noise isolated, however, the space will be definitely separated for privacy. So this bed right now set for what they call the Royal King. Of course, it can be separated. You just need to ask your room attendant and they will split it. So if you are traveling with somebody who you don't wish to share the bed with, of course, the option is there. We have those nightstands with 2 drawers on each side of the bed. There's also additional thermostat over here for the bedroom area. Now on this side, of course, we have additional nightstand. We have plenty of storage over here because we would have the door here with some shelving. We have the mirror, of course, if you would like to get ready for your night out. There's another door on this side. Some extra storage drawers underneath. This would be your hair dryer. And of course you have some drawers over here. And the same would be on this side. As far as the outlet goes, in the bedroom area we have 2 US plugs. I don't believe we use any of those anymore. You have 2 European plugs on this side. But I do not unfortunately see any plugs to the sides of the bed. And for that reason, I would recommend either bringing a power bank or a longer cable to attach it maybe next to the mirror, so at least the person who sleeps on this side could charge their phone. All around, the space feels very spacious. And I definitely think it's perfect for 2, maybe 3, maybe even 4, but that's a personal, of course, preference. But yeah, that's the all-around look that you get from this suite. And let me take you to the bathroom so we can see what the suite bathroom looks like. And this is, of course, your thermostat for the air conditioner in the living area. So the bathroom area is very, very spacious because you have some storage on this side. Hi again, friends. So you can store your items over here, sort of a countertop. There's a lot of marble in this room, I have to say. There's a double sink here, 2 storage areas above each sink. This would be just a mirror. However, this one is a storage. You get, of course, your upgraded amenities, the Melon and Go. It's over here. You have 2 drawers underneath, and of course, 2 doors with a trash can and additional shelf if you would like to store anything. Right next to it is your bathtub, and let's open this. And you have a full-size tub with your upgraded, again, Malin & Goetz products. So you have your shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. You have, of course, your drying rack, the extendable here. All around, it's very, very spacious, especially on a cruise ship. So yeah, this is your bathroom. Now, we saw probably most of the suite, I'm sorry. And I would like to show you a feature that I really enjoy in this particular Grand Suite because I didn't see it in other Grand Suites. So when we go towards the balcony, and let's open those curtains to show you. In other Grand Suite I experienced, you usually would have one of those doors that can be open towards the balcony. However, on this ship, those two doors can open simultaneously. So let's open this one. Well, that's a little stuck. Okay, now it should be good. Okay, let's open them. One, let's open the second one. And let me take a few steps back so you guys can admire that. You have a very, very wide opening towards your balcony. It gives you a very spacious feeling in your suite and really allows you to enjoy the outdoors while you actually still in your room. So perhaps if you go into more nature places such as Alaska or the Norwegian fjords, that probably would be an amazing experience. Let me take you, of course, to the balcony and show you what you get with a Grand Suite. So you get the 2 chairs dining area. And you will have a 1 lounger. Well, friends, that's it. That's the Grand Suite on board the beautiful Radiance of the Seas. If you ask me, I think that the Grand Suite is probably the sweet spot for choosing suite experience with Royal Caribbean. And the reason for that is because the Grand Suite will allow you to enjoy the majority of the benefits and the extras that actually suite services provide. Things like access for the suite lounge or happy hour. I think it's every day between 5 and 7 or 5 and 10. Correct me if I'm wrong. Of course, you have the specialty breakfast in the Chop Grill every morning. You have expedited check-in, check-out, the upgraded amenities, of course, in your bathroom, the espresso machine as always, much more, and all that with sort of the entry level of the suite. Now, of course, this is not for everyone, but if you have anything you would like to comment, please do that below, whether you stayed in this suite, would like to stay in one, or you have your opinion about it. And until next time, thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. I'm your Hedge.